Hi there, welcome to InfStones. In this video, we will introduce you to Safe Stake, our user-friendly staking platform designed to make earning rewards through crypto accessible to everyone. We'll take you step by step through the staking process, show you how to easily track your rewards, and explain how to claim and review your rewards history. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently maximize your crypto holdings with Safe Stake. So, let's get started. To begin staking, head over to the Safe Stake section on your InfStones dashboard. Here, you'll instantly see all supported blockchain protocols with their listed total value locked and estimated annual percentage yield. To continue, select your preferred protocol. For this example, let's choose SWI, and click the Stake Now button. The platform will now show you more information about it, such as its staking and unstaking details, reward distribution method, and compatible wallets. Now it's time to connect your wallet. For this demonstration, we'll use the SWI wallet. However, if you prefer to use a Ledger hardware wallet, that's an option too. Simply click Ledger and follow the embedded tutorial to proceed. Also, for Ledger users, please enable blind signing in the SWI app to avoid any potential errors. Click SWI wallet and then connect in the pop-up. Once your wallet has been successfully connected, the InfStones dashboard will display your wallet address and available balance. To proceed, enter the amount of SWI you wish to stake. Keep in mind that the minimum staking amount is 1 SWI. Once you've entered your desired amount, click the Stake button to initiate the process. Finally, approve the transaction on your SWI wallet, and there you go. Your tokens are now securely staked with InfStones. InfStones simplifies tracking your staking activity and rewards. On your Safe Stake dashboard, you should now see a table displaying all your currently staked assets. For a more comprehensive view, navigate to the Staked tab. Here, you can easily track your total stake, total rewards accrued so far, and any unstake pending tokens on each individual protocol. Your SWI staking reward is automatically added to your wallet after unstaking, as we'll cover in the next section. Our platform also optimizes your experience with advanced search functionalities. You can filter your staking activity by wallet address, validators, date, and other parameters to quickly find the information you need. For a deeper dive into your rewards, let's explore the Reward History function. Within the Staked tab, locate the View Asset button under the Action section for your desired asset. Clicking this button will redirect you to a dedicated page showcasing your reward history. Here, you'll find a clear breakdown of your staking and unstaking activity over time, along with the rewards you've earned. Unstaking is a straightforward process. Simply navigate to the Staked tab and select the token you want to redeem. In our case, we'll choose SWI. Next, click the Action menu associated with this protocol and select Unstake. To proceed, connect your wallet. Remember to use the same wallet you used to stake in order to avoid any errors. Finally, click the Unstake button and confirm the transaction in your connected wallet to finalize the process. In just a few minutes, your wallet will reflect your unstaked amount plus your earned rewards. And that's it. That concludes our tutorial on InfStones Safe Stake. For more information, please refer to our documentation on the InfStones website. We look forward to seeing you succeed with InfStones.